Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming two essentials. Both devices share the same Wi-Fi, and the phone allows casting. Open your phone's screencast or wireless display option and select your laptop as the target. Make sure the laptop's receiving mode or app is active. Some systems require you to open settings system projecting to this PC or run a casting app. Once done, accept any permission pop-ups on both devices so the link can establish securely. Once the phone lists devices, tap your laptop and wait for the laptop's prompt. You will see a connection request. On the laptop, accept and select projection mode. Duplicate mirrors your phone. Extend creates a second display. You might need to tweak resolution or audio output in the receiving app to reduce lag. If you use a third-party app, sign in if required and follow on-screen pairing steps. This creates a secure local stream without a USB cable. Complete the session by verifying interaction, touch input, audio routing, and screen orientation. When finished, stop casting on the phone or close the receiver app on the laptop. If the connection drops or won't start, restart Wi-Fi on both devices and try again, or toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radio stacks. Make sure both OS versions are compatible and Firewall allows the receiver. Once you correct network or permission blocks, the pairing usually...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.